Okay, hello everyone. We are working with the Kaggle, Titanic data, and it's from Kaggle. So the problem I'm trying to solve is how to how to fill in uh, male and female missing values in age column. So why don't I just run the my notebook and you'll see, okay, so here's the Titanic data. And here, let me zoom in a little bit so it's easier to read. Come on. Okay, so here is the first 5 rows. So let me check the null values here. I have 177 null values in age column. Now, I'm preparing my data for machine learning, but so I need to handle this missing values in an age column. One option is I drop all the missing values, but I don't think I want to drop all the missing values. Why? Because I don't think this is a big data set. If I drop 177 rows, that will be quite significant. And so my solution is, and this is just only one solution, that I will replace or fill in missing values for each group. What do you mean by group? Group mean male, find the mean value, male mean values, and find the female mean values, and then replace each mean values for each group. Let me run this. So that is my solution. So I found group by sex, which is male and female, and I found the mean age for each group, male and female. Now, this is just only one solution. I want to keep it as simple as possible. There are some other solutions. I can use lambda function and I can use some other methods, but I'm going to keep this very, very simple. But this is not the only solution. So what I am doing, I'm making a data frame male, and I'm going to make a data frame female, and then I am going to replace their missing values with the mean age values. Okay, so male data frame, and here are first 5 values from the male data frame. And as you can see, there is NaN missing values right there. So I am going to, why don't I just run the cell here and df male, and let's check the missing values in the male data frame. So I have 124 missing values in that. Okay, before I take care of that, why don't I make a data frame for female, and let's see how many missing values I have in female data frame. Okay, so now let's move this. Female data frame, I'm going to check for null values and I'm going to add them up. So this is what this, so I have, oh, this is male. Why? I thought female. Oh, I did not check. Okay. So df underscore f is null sum. So I have 53 missing values in the age column. And I already checked how many missing values in the male data frame. Now let's fill in the values with the male mean age. So I'm not going to use this code. I'm going to delete this. And what I am doing here, I'm going to take in the age column from the male data frame. I'm going to fill NA with me in the column male data frame, age column, and with the mean values, and in place is true. Let's run this cell, shift enter, and it did run. Now it's given me there's some changes in the documentation. See the caveats. Okay, I'll read the documentation later. Now I'm going to check the null values. And as you can see in age column, I don't have any missing values. Okay, so now I'm going to take the sample. Is this male? I'm going to take the sample. Why did I use? I'm going to use male. And I'm going to take the sample from here. Okay, so now I'm taking, okay, so that was a series. Now let me take a look at the data frame. Okay, so I'm going to take the age column from the male data frame, and I'm checking the sample 41 values. Just want to make sure. And these are the 41 values, and I don't have any missing values, or I don't. So I guess I'm in a good shape. Okay, let's move forward. I'm making a data frame. I already did a data frame on a female data frame. Use the age column and fill NA with the mean value, and in place is true. Let's run this cell. And again, I got some warning. I'm going to read the documentation later. Okay, I'm going to check 22 values, sample values. So these are random. Sample is a random. So I just want to make sure that I am not, is true, is working. So let me check how many null values I have. And in each column, I don't have any null value. That's a good thing. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to concatenate these data frame, excuse me, and I am going to bring the original Titanic data frame together. So that is what I am doing right here. I'm going to check, and that is the original data frame back. I'm going to check how many null values I have. So in the age column, I don't have any null values. So that is how I solve this problem. I'm going to apply info method just to see, double check. And non-null age. I think it looks pretty good to me. So that's all I have. This is just quick, short video. So I hope that is helpful. Thank you.